Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by checking battery levels on both devices. Ensure they exceed 20%. Confirm Wi-Fi is turned on for the phone and laptop. Also enable Bluetooth if you plan to use Bluetooth PAN. Disable airplane mode on both devices to allow connections to work. Decide whether you will use Wi-Fi hotspot, USB tethering, or Bluetooth before continuing. Prepare the USB cable if you plan to tether by cable for the fastest connection. To share via Wi-Fi hotspot, open phone settings and enable mobile hotspot. Choose WPA2 security and set an 8 to 16 character password. Optionally select 4 GHz or 5 GHz band for compatibility and speed. On the laptop, open Wi-Fi networks, select the phone SSID, and enter the hotspot password to connect. For a wired option, connect USB and enable USB tethering in phone settings for faster, more stable performance. After connecting, monitor mobile data usage to avoid unexpected charges from your carrier. Disable the hotspot when not needed to conserve battery and mobile data. If the laptop cannot see the phone network, restart both devices and try reconnecting. Toggle Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB tethering settings if the initial attempt fails. Disable VPN or firewall briefly during troubleshooting, then re-enable them after confirming the connection. Run a quick speed test to confirm performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.